Welcome to Finding Your Cybersecurity Pathway. I'm Dr. Barbara Endicott Popovsky, your instructor, and I'll be introducing a number of talented individuals who can help you in your journey. If you're taking the certificate series in the Introduction to Cybersecurity, this is Course 4. This is an opportunity for you to find your passion in cybersecurity, assess your readiness for that particular pathway in cybersecurity that appeals to you, and come up with a plan for closing the gap between where you are now and where you need to be successful in that career. This is interesting for me because we've seen an evolution in cybersecurity pathways. When I first began in this field, there was just one or two, and you were either a systems administrator with security responsibilities or a network administrator. And in the last few years, we've seen a plethora of pathways emerge. In fact, the National Institute of Standards in the United States has identified 33 distinct pathways, and more are coming. So we're going to be looking at this NIST model. And for those of you that are in other countries, even though this is from a U.S. perspective, from a U.S. employment perspective, there are parallels for you in your search for a cybersecurity career in your respective regions. What we've experienced here in the United States is that employers have had a real difficult time identifying cybersecurity specialists that they need. They'll advertise for cybersecurity and they'll end up with an analyst, with a person who is skilled at policy, with a person that is deeply technical or involved with crypto. All of these are very different skill sets and have evolved into specific pathways. So NIST, our National Institute of Standards, has developed definitions of these pathways that can help employers. And we found that employers have begun to really standardize in their job descriptions around these different pathways. It helps them have a common language between students and themselves and the managers that are hiring this talent. So you'll have an opportunity to walk through the pathways, to look at what they contain, get a feel for what each pathway means in terms of your daily tasks, look at what kinds of skills and knowledge are required in each, and this should give you an opportunity, as I said earlier, to assess your readiness for that path. At the end of this course, we're going to give you resources that you can go to that will help round out your professionalization in this career. So enjoy your journey with us.